ago, I had another small business owner ask me, why do I put so much time and effort into my packaging when Amazon can just throw their products into a box, call it a day, and nobody complains? And I told her, well, I'm not Amazon. I don't want to be Amazon. I am a one-person business owner that wants you to feel appreciated. You deserve to have an experience from the day you order to the day you open your package.
What I think about when I package orders. I love my pretty pink gloves. Oh, I am so full from my lunch. Gotta keep things clean and sanitary. I love the smell of these wipes. Fresh. Wipe it down, wipe. I love my business so much. Yeah, I am going to be packaging a big order. Packaging is so fun. Yes, my lash boxes are so cute. I am proud. Aw, yeah, they ordered so many lashes. I feel so blessed. Oh my, I love these glosses. The iced coffee made my stomach hurt, oh no. The cutest packaging, so pretty. Time to add free spoolies. Well, so pretty.
Hi guys, let's package a slime order together. This order is for Catherine from Connecticut, and they ordered 17 slimes in total: 2 Hubba Bubba bubblegum, I Can't Believe It's Not Butter slime, Lucky Charms milk, marshmallow fluff, ice dragon fruit clear, mango tango foam, 3 ducks in a pond clear slime, King Midas metallic, Barbie metallic, unicorns egg clear, eucalyptus spearmint butter, detox water clear slime, and mint chip ice cream. I first grabbed all the slimes from the shelf and bubble wrapped them to ensure protection during shipping. For this huge order, I got a large box, added some packing peanuts, and carefully put all the slimes inside. For extras, I added 2 jumbo squishies along with 3 slime care sheets. Finally, I taped the box and it was ready to be shipped. Thank you for purchasing, Catherine.
Just don't wanna explain it, but it's sometimes I wanna wrap it. Don't hold it against me if I'm down. Let me be sad. Just don't wanna explain it, but it's sometimes I wanna wrap it. Don't hold it against me if I'm down. Let me be sad.
Okay, let's package and order. She ordered a lot. Let's go pull everything. Cute. I love these joggers.
Youngie.
More sweatpants, yes queen. Great choices. One more thing. All done, now we go package. Tag anything that isn't already tagged. Double check to make sure that shit is correct. Grab a postcard and get it packaged. Then we weigh her, ooh she thick. Seal it up and add the shipping label. One more finishing touch. You've got mail. OMG, she actually sounded like AOL, haha. Okay, bye.
Do you want to know who's watching your videos? Like really watching your videos till the end? If you have people just spamming your account and liking it and watching for a quick second, you're going to get shadow banned. So I'm going to give you this sound to use on your own video. Ask someone to leave you some green hearts so you know that they've watched this video to the end.
Hi guys, so yesterday I got my very first order. They ordered Beach Episode and waifu lip glosses, and I decided to throw in an extra otaku. Since it was my very first order, I decided to throw in my full-size lip scrub, Sequoia. It's coconut flavored. Here I'm adding in our goodie bag that comes in with every order, and 2 extra stickers. For bigger orders, I like to use thank you stickers and write their names on it, and since it's my very first order, I wanted to write a super special thank you note. I also decided to do something extra special and add this cute little face. Thank you so much, Arlie, for supporting my business. It means so much to me.
Fucking broken, you see me empty. License from the bottle in my head, I'm feeling dizzy, but you never fucking listen. Gotta jump to your conclusions. I've been heading in directions where I end up getting bruises. That's what the truth is. I take the blame. Always getting jaded, back around, they're all the same. Never want to hear me, I've been beating from the start. I got money, I got pills, and I got a broken heart. Fuck the love, I'm needing trust. A kiss can make me stronger, but it's fixing no one's heart. I don't need your glitter, I just need a will to start. Numbing through prescriptions.